Hello everyone and welcome back to the Scholarship Guidebook YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of the Chevening Scholarship for 2024. Join us as we walk you through the step-by-step process of applying for this prestigious scholarship opportunity, offering invaluable insights and tips to help you secure your academic dreams. Before we dive into the details, please take a moment to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to the Scholarship Guidebook channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable scholarship information and guides. Now, let's get started with today's topic: how to apply for Chevening Scholarship 2024. Chevening Scholarship 2024-2025 is a fully funded master's scholarship for international students. Chevening Scholarship covers university tuition fees, a monthly living allowance, an economy class return airfare to the UK, and additional grants and allowances to cover essential expenditure. Chevening is the international awards system of the UK government that aims to develop worldwide leaders. There will be around 1,500 scholarships being provided worldwide. Chevening Scholarship Summary. The Chevening Scholarship Program offers a remarkable opportunity for students aspiring to pursue a master's-level education in the United Kingdom. Applicants can choose from a wide range of full-time taught master's degree programs in various subjects, provided by renowned UK universities. The scholarship is available for programs lasting up to 1 year, and for those interested in the 2024-25 scholarships, applications will open in September 2023. With a final deadline of November 1, 2023. This presents a fantastic chance to further your education in the UK, so mark your calendars and get ready to embark on this exciting academic journey. Chevening Scholarship Coverage. The Chevening Scholarship for 2023 offers a comprehensive package of benefits to its recipients. This includes covering the university tuition fees, providing a monthly stipend to support living expenses, and covering the travel costs to and from the UK. Additionally, recipients receive an arrival allowance and a homeward departure allowance to assist with settling in and returning home. The scholarship also covers the cost of one visa application and provides a travel grant to attend Chevening events in the UK, enhancing the overall experience and networking opportunities for scholars. Eligibility criteria for Chevening Scholarship. Certainly, here are the eligibility criteria for Chevening scholarships presented as headings. 1. Language proficiency. Applicants must demonstrate proficiency in the English language, IELTS academic overall score of 6.5 with a minimum score of 5.5 in each component. 2. Eligible countries. Scholarships are available to citizens of Chevening eligible countries. Refer to the official website for the complete list of eligible nations. 3. Return commitment. Recipients are required to return to their home country for a minimum of 2 years after completing their scholarship. 4. Academic qualifications. Applicants should have completed the necessary prerequisites for undergraduate degrees, enabling them to gain admission to a UK postgraduate program. This is typically equivalent to an upper second class 2-1 honours degree in the UK, though requirements may vary based on the course and university. 5. Work experience. Candidates must possess a minimum of 2 years, equivalent to 2,800 hours, of relevant work experience. 6. University application. Applicants must apply to 3 different eligible UK university courses and secure an unconditional offer from one of these choices by July. Ineligibility criteria for Chevening scholarships. British citizenship. Individuals who hold British citizenship or dual British citizenship are generally ineligible for a Chevening scholarship, except for those who are citizens of a British overseas territory or possess BNO status and are applying from Hong Kong. Refugee status. Applicants holding refugee status in a country that is not Chevening eligible are not eligible for the scholarship. However, individuals who are citizens of a Chevening eligible country and have refugee status in a Chevening eligible country may still be eligible. Government employment. Individuals who are current or former employees of Her Majesty's government, or are closely related to such employees, within the 2 years preceding the opening of Chevening applications, are ineligible. This includes positions within British embassies, high commissions, the Department for Business, Energy and Industrial Strategy, Department for International Trade, the Ministry of Defence, and the Home Office. Association with Commonwealth Universities. Staff members of the Association of Commonwealth Universities may apply, but if their employment occurred within the last 2 years, they cannot receive a Chevening Partner Award from the organisation they are currently or were previously affiliated with, either through their own employment or through family relations. Previous UK government-funded scholarships. Applicants who have previously studied in the UK with funding from a UK government-funded scholarship are not eligible for a Chevening Scholarship. These criteria help ensure that Chevening scholarships are awarded to individuals who meet specific eligibility requirements and maintain the integrity of the program. Documents required for Chevening Scholarship. On the Chevening portal, applicants have the capacity to submit a maximum of 15 documents, provided that each individual file does not exceed 2 GB in size. In terms of essential application components, there are precisely 10 documents that are considered mandatory for the Chevening Scholarship. 1. Academic documents. 2. Valid passport. 3. Chevening essay questions. 4. Europass CV. 5. Experience letter. 6. University unconditional letter. 7. Reference letters. Recommendation letters. 8. Letter of motivation. 9. IELTS. TOEFL, if applicable. 10. Portfolios or workshops, in some cases. Further details for each document, including Chevening essay questions and other application documents, are available below. If you have any questions or need guidance, you can scroll down the screen to access detailed information and tips for each document. How to apply for Chevening Scholarship. Country selection. Begin by selecting your country on the official Chevening website and choose the Chevening Scholarship Program. Account creation. Create an account on the platform. Profile completion. Fill in your profile with personal information, save the data, and validate your profile before starting your application. Eligibility quiz. Complete the eligibility quiz to ensure you meet the scholarship's criteria. Application form. Fill out the application form with the required information. Document preparation. Gather the necessary documents, including completed education documents, English language qualification, conditional offers for proposed courses of study, up to 3. Unconditional offers for proposed courses of study, up to 3. At least one unconditional offer must be uploaded by July. References. You will be invited to upload 2 references if invited to an interview. Passport or ID document. Submission. Submit your completed application. Following these steps will help you successfully apply for the Chevening Scholarship. To know more about Chevening Scholarships, please visit the official website. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel for future updates. Stay connected for more informative content.